Hello, I saw your question here about relating to z-scores. To calculate the formula for calculating z-score is this particular score minus the mean, all divided by standard deviation. And we got to calculate two z-scores for this problem. Suppose a baby born after a gestation of 30 to 35 weeks have a mean weight of 2,700 grams and a standard deviation of 800 grams. And so here we got a particular baby, their weight was 2,425 grams. And so that's X, and then the mean for up to 35 weeks is 2,700 grams, and then the standard deviation is 800 grams. So you just put it in this formula, and this tells you z-score relative to that group is negative 0.34. You subtract and divide by 800. And so, relative to this group, this baby, is below the mean, 0.34 standard deviations. And we redo this for the other baby. They went 40 weeks. The mean was 3,100, so that goes here. And the standard deviation is 435, it goes here. And let's see, their particular weight was 2,825 grams. So you take that particular baby's weight minus the mean over standard deviation. So the z-score for this particular baby is minus 0.63. And so relative to that group, they're 0.63 standard deviations below the mean. So this means, this baby's 0.63 standard deviation below the mean because it's negative. Again, this one's negative, so it's 0.34 standard deviation below the mean for this, 35-week baby. And so this one is further relative to the group. I mean, they're way less, further from the mean. So the baby born 40 weeks raised relatively less, since its z-score, negative 0.63 is smaller than the z-score for the other baby that was 35 weeks old. Hope this helps.